Welcome to NUOMI Channel. In family life, the kitchen sink area is frequently the focal point of activity, seamlessly blending cleanliness with functionality. One of the most challenging areas to keep organized is the space beneath your sink. This often overlooked area tends to become a catch-all for cleaning supplies, dishwashing tools, and various kitchen essentials. This product is NUOMI U-shaped basket under sink. It not only optimizes space beyond just drainage, but also offers storage for less frequently used items. The basket frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy. The surface is coated in fluorocarbon spraying, ensuring corrosion and rust resistance. The multi-compartment design of the sink basket not only enhances space utilization but also allows for neat arrangement of cleaning supplies, ensuring clear categorization. The bottom is covered with anti-slip mat, preventing collision and noise during movement. This product has two colors, champagne gold and high-class gray. It's suitable for cabinet widths of 900 millimeters. The cabinet height should be larger than 162 millimeters, and the cabinet depth should be at least 471 millimeters for installation. U-shaped basket under sink maximizes the use of limited space, allowing you to effortlessly store more items and maintain a neat kitchen. If you want to learn more about NUOMI products, follow our channels below to make your home life more tasteful.